everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I will be doing an unboxing as well as a review on one great fragrance luxury house, and it is the House of Sillage. So if you want to see exactly what fragrance I have, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back, and I just got this package out of the mail, so I had to hurry up and do this video. Can y'all believe it? Can you imagine how overjoyed I was to get this package today? Well, anyway, it comes in a simple box, and you see all the paper and stuff is inside here. And you got your little crap right here, which I'm not looking at because I don't care about. All I want is the fragrance. Okay. And here is packaging, y'all. And look, y'all. Hey, Wonder Woman. Yes, I got WW84 Wonder Woman. Oh, can y'all imagine? Just look at this packaging. Let me open it up. Woo! I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Do you all remember Wonder Woman in the past? I do. I remember her in the 80s. I was crazy about me some Wonder Woman. I used to think I was Wonder Woman. Okay, let's talk about the packaging. Okay, first thing you see is the name WW84 Wonder Woman, and then you have Wonder Woman 1984 collection by the House of Sillage fragrance. Okay, I did not get the lipstick bow, but you know, I might still get it now. I don't know, but I didn't get it this go round. Only thing I got was the fragrance. Okay, just looking at this box, don't it kind of remind you of a peacock? You know how the peacock look, and then the feathers come up like that. This is exactly what all this look like to me. It reminds me of a peacock. Even though I know these colors are the colors that Wonder Woman have on in the show. So just want to throw that out there. Okay, let's see, can I open it up? Let's open it up. Pamela, look, Pam is laying on the side, Pam. Pam hate that, and I hate that too. Let me fix it. I hate when it does that. Okay, let's start back over. You open it up and you see right here WW84 Wonder Woman. And then look right here. Look, y'all, just look. Okay, take this off. Then you take this down. Look, y'all. Look. Okay, so now if y'all notice with this presentation, it's not like the other boxes that you might get from the House of Sillage. Now in this presentation, they have the name here as I stated, and then they got a sleeve right here. And so in this sleeve is also said WW84 Wonder Woman. And then it talks about the House of Sillage right here. Let's see what this is. And it said, congratulations, you are now an exclusive owner of the limited edition fragrance of the Wonder Woman 1984 collection by the House of Sillage. Da 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 da. So this is what this is. So that's what's in here. See, you got a sleeve now. So those who have gotten these fragrances before, no, there was not a sleeve. This card was just put in the back with this duster. And you know, you use the duster to keep your cupcake. Yes, keep your cupcake clean. Okay, now we're going to take it out. Oh, y'all, look! Oh, it's so gorgeous! I can't believe I got it. It's gorgeous. On the top, you can see the logo or embroidery if you want to see WW. And around that, you will see the Swarovski crystals. And you also get crystals going around the sides with Wonder Woman name, as well as the House of Sillage. And like I said, you normally get 158 Swarovski crystals, but in this one, all you get is 100. Okay? Yeah, it is gorgeous. And it is also hand painted. Each one is hand painted. Can you all believe that? It is hand painted, each one. And you know, in this collection, they said they don't have a 400. So if you all want this, you all need to hurry up and get it, because they don't have a 400. So they're about to give out to you all, so you better go get it. It started out, like I said, it's an ombre effect. It starts out as a dark purple. Then it gets lighter, 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 and it looks yellow on top now. Y'all can see that. This is gorgeous, y'all. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Under the cap, it also says WW84 Wonder Woman. And it says Wonder Woman 1984 collection by House of Sillage. Look, y'all. This is simply gorgeous. Can you believe they just hand painted each one of these? I mean, it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Then look at this bottle now. Look, y'all. Okay. Now, I have been wearing this fragrance. I got a sample of it about a week and a half ago, and I've been wearing it every day to make sure I'm going to enjoy this fragrance. And y'all, the House of Sillage did not disappoint me. Wow. I'm going to have the correct notes up here somewhere. I'm just going to tell you what I smell. So today, I don't have on any fragrance because I am going to wear, dun-dun, yes, Wonder Woman. Okay? Let's check out the spray, or you can call it the atomizer, on this bottle. You know what it is. Let's see. Gorgeous. Yeah. I don't know why it's buried on the back of my hand. Let me spray right here. Right here. Right here. Everywhere. Oh. I'm just so excited, y'all. What I get at first sniff is bergamot and raspberry. Child, the bergamot and that berry. Raspberry at that. And now it's kind of spicy. So I'm feeling like it got some kind of pepper in it, and maybe pink pepper, some kind of pepper in it. And I think that pepper, and with that bergamot, and I also smell musk. And so to me, when that pepper, that bergamot, and that musk get together, that's why it's spicy. Not overly spicy, but it is spicy, y'all. Woo. I smell almonds in this. Yes, almonds. The almond is beautiful in here. It's a little nutty, so that's why this fragrance is also nutty. And I smell the vanilla in this. So with the vanilla and that nuttiness from the almonds and that musk, to me, it making it creamy, y'all. Y'all, to me, it's also got some oud in it. It might not, but to me, it smells like it got a hint of oud in this. It might not, but to me, that's what it smells like. Y'all, this is such a gorgeous scent. And it's bold. It's alluring. Sexy. Classy. A classy, sexy fragrance. This smells like a luxury, elegant, classy, sexy fragrance. And I'm here to tell you, a sexy, classy woman needs to wear this. Oh, it's so beautiful, y'all. Gorgeous, 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 y'all. It's so intoxicating. And then when that vanilla and that musk dry down, then that's when you get that spiciness from that pepper and that bergamot. It's gorgeous, y'all. It is simply gorgeous. With this one, you're going to get some compliments. Lots of compliments. If you don't want no compliments, do not wear this fragrance, because you are going to get compliments. This is so gorgeous, y'all. It is gorgeous. My word is, this is epic. Oh. And I'm here to tell you, the Sillage on this, you pass by, everybody gonna smell you. The longevity on this, at least on my skin, it was 6+ hours. So for me, that's long enough. This fragrance is a head turner. So like I said, if you don't want nobody to compliment you, and you don't want nobody to stop in their tracks and look like, excuse me, what is that fragrance you got on? If you don't want to have to answer that question or want somebody to stop you, don't wear this fragrance. Do not wear this fragrance. Simply gorgeous. Wonder Woman, 1984. Gorgeous. Okay, let's go ahead on and rate this fragrance. The presentation, which is the box. Of course, on a scale from 1 to 5, it is a 5. The bottle, on a scale from 1 to 5, it is a 5. The fragrance inside this bottle, on a scale from 1 to 5, it is a 5. The sillage and the longevity of this fragrance, on a scale from 1 to 5, it is a 5. So, ladies and gentlemen, my overall rating for Wonder Woman is a 5. So, like I said, this is a great scent. You all need to go get it. Not make but 400 of these. So if you feel that you want to get this fragrance, y'all better run and get it. You better run and get it. As a matter of fact, while you watching this video, dial the digits right now. Call them up or just go online and place your order before it's all gone. I wouldn't lie to you. This is a great scent. It's limited edition, and this is going to look gorgeous in my case. Well, that's it for this video. Please comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know, did you purchase this fragrance? And if so, have you received it yet? Or are you still waiting on it? Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.